Good morning students. So as you know, in these days we have a revision work. Yesterday we have revised with chapter 1. Today we will revise with our chapter 2, nouns number. Nouns number. It can be in singular form or it can be in plural form. ये singular form में भी हो सकते हैं और plural form में भी हो सकते हैं. As you know, singular, one thing is called singular number. One thing is called singular number, and more than one thing is called plural number. Yes, here is written more than one thing. So more than one thing is called plural. When we make singular to plural, then we have to follow some rules. What's the rule is this? First, by adding s, simply we add s with nouns. Simply first we add s with nouns. हम सिंपली सबसे पहले एस ऐड करते हैं किसी भी नाउन के साथ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मदर, मदर्स, बैग, बैग्स, पेन, पेन्स, चेयर, चेयर्स, टेबल, टेबल्स, एंड और यू कैन से lots of examples. The second thing is when the nouns ending with s, ss, sh, ch, x and o, then we add es. When the noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x and o, then we add es to make plural. अगर कोई भी वर्ड s, ss, sh, ch, x या o के साथ एंड हो रहा है तो हम उसमें es ऐड करके प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ग्लास, ग्लासेस. द वर्ड glass end with double s. The word glass end with double s. Glass. It's end with double s. So we add here es to make its plural. Glass, glasses. We can take other example. Peach, peaches. The word peach end with ch. So we add es here. Peach end with ch, so we add es here. We can take some other examples. Bush, bush, bush. Bush, bushes, because the word bush end with sh. So we add here es. Once again, when the nouns end with s, ss, sh, ch, x and o, then we add es to make its plural. Now next rules. When the noun ends with y and has a consonant before, we change y to ies. If the nouns end with y, ends with y but it has consonants. You know about consonants? In alphabet there are 5 vowels and rest of the letters are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest of the letters are consonant. So if the nouns end with y but it has consonant just before, then first we remove y and then we add ies. So we replace y with ies to make its plural. यानी कि जब कोई वर्ड y से एंड हो रहा हो और उसके जस्ट पहले कॉन्सोनेंट आए तो हम y को रिमूव करके ies ऐड करते हैं उसके प्लूरल फॉर्म को बनाने के लिए. So let's see one example is here. Baby, B-A-B-Y. B. B is consonant. So we remove Y and then add IES to make its plural. Baby, baby में Y से just before B consonants आए हैं. So हमने यहाँ पे Y को remove करके IES add किया है इसके plural बनाने के लिए. Some other rules are also. We will discuss in next class. Goodbye. Have a nice day.